Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can unhide apps you have hidden on iOS 18 or higher. This small tutorial may help many. So for example, you have hidden an app by simply pressing and holding on it, then hitting required passcode, then hitting hide and require passcode, enter your passcode and then hit hide app. The app is now hidden. Now to unhide it, you can simply swipe to the left to get the app library. Scroll down and you will find this hidden folder. Simply tap on it, enter your passcode and you will find the app right here. Now simply press and hold on the app, then hit don't require passcode. Simply enter the passcode. You can see the app is now removed from the hidden folder. And if you scroll up, you will find it somewhere in some folder in the app library. So I can see the app right here. I will simply open it. I'll find the app. I just unhide, press and hold, then simply drag and take it to the home screen and place it here. Now you can open it and work with it. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.